Bill Yee. I wear many hats. I'm the president of the LaFountain Alumni Association. I own the Alhambra Culinary School. I run the Performing Arts Center in Alhambra. I'm the vice president of the American Culinary Federation, ACF. That, of course, if you're familiar with it, we do the certification, certified master chef, things like that. I'm a sous chef at the Masters in Augusta, Georgia. My first time at a Waffle House. And a couple of other things.
Hello, I'm Stephen LaFountain. I'm the executive chef at Master Steakhouse in Costa Mesa. I've been there for 3 years and hope to be there.
Address the first question to Chef Lee and get his response, and then ask anybody else if they have anything to add. And then the second question to Chef LaFountain, and then anything else to add, rather than going up and down the rows. So that might be able to facilitate the discussion. If that works with you, then we'll see how it goes. Okay, so the first question, if I can address it to you, Chef Lee, is what entry-level jobs could students leaving high school or community college be hired for at your company or your restaurant?
Through the staffing agency, we have dishwasher. Now, is that a skilled level? It's considered entry level, but you know, in a lot of the commercial establishments, they need to know how to run the machine. And one quick example, I was doing some work with Chopped on the TV show. I bring in some cooks. I kind of been doing that already. So I said, look, you young guys can run around and collect the dishes in the mystery basket. Me and the other executive chefs, we're going to stay in the scullery. We're going to take care of the pots and the pans and the dishes. One quick example, when I was at the Masters, the first 3 days, they forgot to send me a dishwasher. So David, there's an opening there. So who's doing the dishes? None of my line crew stuff, me. Because I always tell the people, the most important job in the kitchen, to me, is the dishwashing. Without dishes, pots and pans, everything stops. And then we, the executive chefs, have to go take the time and take care of business, right? Prep cook. Everybody coming out of culinary school, I think, for me, kind of starts off as a prep cook position, kind of cut an onion. Food runner for the front of the house. Houseman. The houseman position is usually, maybe you got it. Can you lift the furniture, put away the big round banquet tables, the choppy chairs, and all that kind of stuff? My degree, by the way, is hospitality restaurant management. It's not culinary. Culinary is secondary. But because of that, I have an opportunity to work front and back in the house. And I said to the students, you need to know both. You can't just work back in the house and ignore the front, and vice versa.
Okay, thank you. Anybody else have anything to add?
Yeah, I would say same levels that Bill just said. The basic walking in positions, dishwasher, prep cook, pantry cook, hostess. I think one thing to kind of add into where you guys can help is everybody, well, our jobs now are glorified on TV by Chef Ramsay and the shows that are out there. And the kids think that is what we do. And for about 1%, that is the lifestyle that it is. The rest of it is what we all know, the 50 to 60 hour work weeks, sometimes 70 to 80, depending on the job. And the hard work and the fact that you need to know how to be a dishwasher to teach them, right? If you can't teach everyone in your kitchen the tool, you can never be an executive chef. So this obviously goes for chefs, that they need to understand that being a dishwasher, being a pantry cook is not beneath them. It is a fundamental stepping stone to the next level. And if you don't have those skills, you will never make it to where you want to go. And you can learn that.